Hello, welcome at Rebecca's kitchen. Today we are going to make the most popular Arabic date cookies called معمول. Let's see what we need. Half kilo flour, 300 gram semolina, 250 gram butter, 150 milliliter oil, 300 milliliter water, 10 gram baking powder, 1 tablespoon of rose water or orange blossom water, whichever you like, 1 tablespoon of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. As a first step, mix all the dry ingredients: flour, semolina, baking powder, cardamom and cinnamon. Use another bowl to mix the wet ingredients: butter, oil, half of the water and rose water. Now we combine the flour mixture with the butter. When it's combined properly, we add the remaining water and knead it for 7 minutes. Make sure the dough is soft enough. If you find it too hard, you can adjust the amount of water. Make sure you just add bit by bit, so your dough will be perfect. You need to let the dough rest in the fridge overnight. As a stuffing, use 600 gram date paste, 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of oil. If you like to fill with nuts, you can use walnut or pistachio, but it's optional. And to decorate, use 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix date paste, honey, cinnamon, and orange blossom water. Let it sit in the fridge with the dough so it will have better taste. If you like my video, please before we continue, don't forget to hit the button. Share your comments under the video that keep me going. Thank you! 1 hour before you start to work with the dough, take it out of the fridge so it will be easier to work with. You need to form balls out of the dough. From this amount, you will have approximately 60 pieces of cookies. We repeat the same actions with the stuffing. The stuffing balls should be slightly smaller than the dough. I use gloves and oil so that the date paste doesn't stick to my hand. If the filling is too soft and you are not able to form a ball, you can add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar or cornstarch to fix this problem. You can easily buy معمول foam in Middle Eastern shops or order online. These 3 whole ones is pretty practical because you will be ready faster. You need to make sure the foam is not overfilled with the dough. That's how you can get pretty cookies. In the meantime, don't forget to turn on the oven and warm it up 175 degrees. We bake the cookies 18-20 minutes until it's light brown. Last step is, after cooling down, to sprinkle it with powdered sugar. We can easily store it without powdered sugar. You can just keep it in the box, sprinkle powdered sugar right before serving. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.